You see the product of what are the properties of the product of the matrices. Okay. First, A and B are any two matrices. A and B, A, B, C are any three matrices. Then first one you see it satisfies the associative law. Product of the matrices it satisfies the associative law. What is the associative law? A into BC is equals to AB into C. It satisfies the associative law. Next to second one, it satisfies the distributive laws. Distributive laws are two types: left distributive law, right distributive law. So left distributive law is A into B plus C is equals, left side is multiplying now. So that left distributive law. This is equals to AB into AC, and in that A is one. B right distributive law. That is A plus B into C, right side multiplying now. So right distributive law. A dot C, that means A into C plus B into C. Next to the existing of identity. If A is IA is equals to A is equals to AI, then I is called identity matrix. I is called identity matrix of order A. I is the identity matrix. Here the product of the matrices is not satisfying the commutative law. AB is equals to BA need not be equal. Sometimes it is equals to, but sometimes it is need not be equal. That means the commutative law is not always not satisfying the product of the matrices. You remember this point. Okay. Next we will see some problems now. This one very important question for 5 marks. They are asking like this questions only. Important question. This is the 16th example in textbook. If A is equals to 1 1 minus 1 2 0 3 3 minus 1 2, this is the matrix A, and B is equals to 1 3 0 2 minus 1 4, and C is 1 2 3 minus 4 2 0 minus 2 1. Find A into BC, AB into C, and show that AB into C is equals to A into BC. This is the question. These are very important for 5 marks. For 5 marks always they are asking like these questions only. Important question you see. Solution. First what I am finding A into B. First you find this one you find it. A into BC we need to find. So first of all I am finding B into C matrix. So B into C is equals to, first you write the matrix B. What is the B? 1 3 0 2 minus 1 4 into 1 2 3 minus 4 2 0 minus 2 1. So this one order, what is the order of this matrix? 3 cross 2. This one 2 cross 4. So this 2 is equals columns in first matrix is equals to rows in second matrix. The product of the matrix is existing. The result matrix order is 3 cross 4 matrix we are getting. Understood? So this one rows and columns you write it. Rows into columns you write it. You find that. 1 into 1. 1. What I am multiplying, you properly check it. 1 into 1. 1. Plus 3 into 2. 6. This row, first row into first column finished. First row into first column, first row into second column, first row into third column, first row into fourth column, like that we are writing. So first row into second column now. 1 into 2, 2. 0, 0. Next 1 into 3, 3. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Next 1 into minus 4, minus 4. 3 into 1, 3 into 1, 3. This one, first row I multiply with all the columns. Now second row with all the columns you do. First, second row into first column, 0 into 1, 0. 2 into 2, 4. Next, 0 into 2, 0. Plus 2 into 0, 0. Next, 0 into 3, 0. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 0 into minus 4, 0. 2 into 1, 2. Next, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Next, 4 into 2, 8. 4 into columns. Next, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. 4 into 2, 0. Sorry, 4 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Next, 4 into minus 2, minus 8. Next, minus 1 into minus 4, minus into minus plus 4. 4 into 1, 4. This is the A, B into C matrix. That result you write here. BC is equals to 7, 2. Next to minus 3. Next to minus 1. Next to 4, 0. Minus 4, 2. 7. Minus 2. Minus 11, 8. This is the matrix of BC. Now A into BC. What is the matrix A? 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3, minus 1, 2 into BC matrix. This is 7, 2, minus 3, minus 1. 4, 0, minus 4, 2, 7, minus 2, minus 11, 8. Now rows into columns product. First matrix order 3 cross 3. This one order 3 cross 4. So the result matrix order 3 cross 4 only we are taking. So how we are multiplying? Rows into columns. To take first row, you multiply with all the columns. Those result you write in first row only. Okay. Now this is equals to 1 into 7, 7. Next to 1 into 4, 4. Minus 1 into 7, minus 7. This is the first one position element. First row into second column. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into minus 2, plus 2. Next to 1 into minus 3, minus 3. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. Minus 1 into minus 11, plus 11. Next to 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 1 into minus 8, minus 8. Next to first row with all the columns finished. Now second row with first all the columns will multiply. Second row with first column first. 2 into 7, 14. 0 into 4, 0. 3 into 7, 21. Next to 2 into 2. First, second row, second column. 2 into 2, 4. 0 into 0, 0. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Next to second row, third column. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. 0 into minus 4, 0. Next to 3 into minus 11, minus 33. Next to 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 0 into 2, 0. 3 into 8, 24. Now third row with all the columns. Third row, first column. 3 7s are 21. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. 2 into 7, 14. Next to 3 into 2, say third row, second column. 3 into 2, 6. minus 1 into 0, 0, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 3 into minus 3, minus 9, next minus 1 into minus 4, plus 4, 2 into minus 11, minus 22, next 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 2 into 8, 16, like this we have written. Now total 7 7 get cancelled, result is 4, 2 plus 2 4, next to minus 3 minus 4 minus 7, 11 minus 7 4, next to minus 1 minus 8 minus 9 plus 2, 2 minus 9 7 minus, next to 14 plus 21 35, 4 minus 6 minus 2, minus 6 minus 33 minus 39, next to this is 22, next to minus 4 minus 14 10, 10 plus 21 31, 4 minus 6 minus 4 2, next to minus 9 plus 4 minus 5, minus 5 minus 22 minus 27, next to minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5, 16 minus 5 is 11. This is the product of the matrix A into BC. Understood? Next, similarly, see now the product of the matrix A into B you see. A matrix, B matrix, I written. So first row into first column we multiply. 1 into 1, 1 into 0, 0. Next to minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. First row, first column finished. Now first row, second column. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Now second row, first column. Second row, first column. 2 into 1, 2. 0 into 0, 0. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Next to 2 into 3, 6. 0 into 2, 0. 3 into 4, 12. Next to 3 into 1, 3. Minus 1 into 0, 0. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Next to 3 into 3, 9. Next to minus 1 into 2, minus 2. 2 into 4, 8. This is equals to 2. This is 2. This one minus 1. 6 plus 12, 18. 3 minus 2, 1. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. This is the matrix A into B. Now, A, what we need to find? AB into C. AB into C. What is the matrix AB? 2, 2, minus 1, 18, 1, 15. C. What is the C? Matrix C is 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 1. This product. Rows into columns. Rows into columns. Now you write the matrix. You write the matrix now. 2 into 1, 2, plus 2 into 2, 4. First row, first column finished. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 0, 0. Next to 2 into 3, 6. Next to 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Next to, which is this one, first row, third column. 3 2s are 6. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Next to 2 into minus 4, minus 8. 2 into 1, 2. Next to here you see 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 4, 1 only, here 1. So 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 2, 2. Next to 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 0, 0. 2 into 3, 6, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 2 into minus 4, minus 8, 1 into 1, 1. Next to second row, first column. minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 18 2s are 36, minus 2 plus 0, minus 3, minus 36, right, minus 36. Next to minus 1 into minus 4, minus 1 into minus 4, 4, 15 ones are 15. Next to third row, first column, 1 into 1, 1, 15 twos are 30. Next to 1 into 2, 2, 15 into 0, 0. Next to 1 into 3, 3, 15 into minus 30. Next to 1 into minus 4, minus 4. Next to 15 into 1, 15. This result matrix you see 2 plus 2, 4, next to 4, next to 4, this one minus 7. This is minus plus 35, minus 2, minus 39, next to 90, next to 31, 2, minus 27, 1. 15, 11. This is the equation number. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, so A first, A into BC is equals to AB into C. This is the answer.